how to play 1v1 in PUBG Mobile. So hello guys, if you want to play 1v1 in PUBG Mobile, then you are in the right video. So let's get started. So first, what you can do is, if you want to battle right in the first, then you will need to a room card. This is a special item that lets you create rooms you can get on your in-game shop or through events. So make sure you have one before you get along with the game. So once you have your room card, go to the main menu and find the match section and just tap on this. So you can just tap on this match section over here, and you will be heading over to this page and you have to proceed on match section. You will see several options. Look for and select a room. This will take you to custom room, and once you're in the custom room creation screen, tap on the create room to start setting of your 1v1 match. You will be able to customize various settings here. Choose custom room and adjust the settings to your liking for a 1v1 match, and limit the number of players to just 2. So you might want to select a small map to keep the action fast paced. And after setting that up, you'll get a room ID and share this room ID with a friend who you want to challenge, and they'll need to join your custom room. Once your friend has joined your room using your room ID, and you are all set to start the match and enjoy your 1v1 battle just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.